Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter rational number, and the lessons we're going to cover today are put rational numbers in order, apply addition and subtraction rules, apply multiplication and division rules. So let's just start with the lesson rational numbers. Here I am on the grade 7 math. Chapter we're working on is rational numbers. Let's just start with the lesson, that is put rational numbers in order. So we are given with the rational numbers, we have to write them from least to greatest. The numbers are 0.48, negative 0.65 and 8, right? So here you are given one of the negative number and the other two numbers are positive. 8 and 0.48 are positive numbers, right? The negative numbers are always the smallest one, right? You have to arrange them from greatest to least. That means the positive two numbers are greater than the negative one. So just look at the positive one, 0.48 and 8. So the greatest one would be 8. Then you have 0.48 and the negative number is the smallest one. So that would be 8, 0.48 and negative 0.65, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, put these numbers in order from greatest to least, right? You have to arrange from greatest to least. So you have 10 whole 1 over 20, 10 and negative 6 over 40. Negative numbers is the least one, right? Okay, now look at 10 and 10 whole 1 by 20. This is complete 10. This is more than 10, 10 whole 1 over 20, right? That means this is the greatest one. 10 whole 1 over 20 is the greatest one. Then you have 10 and the least one is the negative number, that is negative 6 over 40. So the second option is the correct one, that is 10 whole 1 over 20, 10 and negative 6 over 40. Okay, let's just question. Okay, put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So which is the correct option? You have to arrange them from greatest to least, right? So you have 0.48, negative 0.65 and 8. So negative number is the least one, right? Negative 0.65 is the least number. The other you have is 0.48 and 8. So 8 is the greatest one. Then you have 0.48 and the least one is negative 0.65. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the second one, 8, 0.48 and negative 0.65. This is the correct option. Okay, the next one is put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 1, 1 whole 30 over 40, negative 1 over 25. Which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? No one is answering why. The correct option is you have to arrange from least to greatest. So negative number is the least one. Option 1 is the correct option. That is negative 1 over 25, 1 and 1 whole 30 over 40. Option 1 is the correct one. Okay, the next one is put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Negative 5 over 25, negative 1 whole 28 over 40 and 1, then 1 whole 12 over 30. You have to arrange from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? Least to greatest, right? So which option is the correct one? Option number 2 is the correct one, right? They are negative 5 over 25, negative 1 whole 28 over 40, and the second one is the correct option. Oh, that is negative 1 whole 28. Oh, option 1 is the correct option. Okay, got it. Negative 5 over 25. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So which is the correct option? Option 2 is the correct option. Very good. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is the least to greatest. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Okay, let's just finish this one. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? You have to arrange from greatest to least, right? So option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, Put these numbers in order from least to greatest, which is the correct option. Which option is the correct one? Yes, the correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. Very good, it is option number 2. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest, which is the correct option. You have to write them from least to greatest. So, which is the correct option? Yes, very good. 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is apply addition and subtraction rules. Okay, the number line shows an unknown number z. Is z positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Whenever you have to see if a number is positive or negative, you have to see, and a number is given on the number line, right? You have to see the zero. Where is zero? The number is on the right hand side of the zero or on the left hand side of the zero, right? Just look at this number. Here you have zero, right? Z is on the left hand side of the zero. So that means the number is negative. If the number is on the left hand side of the zero, that means the number is negative. And if the number is on the right hand side of the zero, the number is positive, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the number line shows an unknown number z. Is z positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is negative z. Z is on the left hand side of the zero, so it must be a negative number. The number line shows an unknown number d. Is d positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is a negative number because again that is on the left hand side of the zero. The number line shows an unknown number q. Is q positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Yes, again that is a negative number because that is on the left hand side of the 0. Okay, the number line shows an unknown number p. Is p positive or negative? Which is the correct option? 0 is on the right hand side of the p. That means that would be, that is positive. Very good. Okay, the number line shows an unknown number c. Is c positive or negative? Yes, c is negative because that is on the left hand side of 0. The number line shows an unknown number r. Is r positive or negative? Yeah, it is negative. The number line shows an unknown number w. Is w positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is a positive number because that is on the right hand side of the 0. It is positive. The number line shows an unknown number x. Is x positive or negative? Yes, x is a positive number. Okay. The number line shows an unknown number u. Is u positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is positive. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on. The next one is the next lesson is apply multiplication and division rules. Okay, now what we have to, if you are multiplying any number with positive and negative numbers, right? How do we apply the rules in the case? The here is the number line shown. The number line shows an unknown number a. Is 2a positive or negative? So yes, A is already on a positive side. You need to see two things here, right? A is already on the positive side. The other thing is 2A. 2 is multiplying to A and 2 is positive. So you are multiplying to positive numbers, answer must be positive, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the number line shows an unknown number R. Is 5R positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Think and then answer. Which is the correct option? R is on the left hand side of the zero, right? That it means R is already negative, right? And then 5 is multiplying to R 5 is positive. So you are multiplying a positive and a negative number, so answer must be negative. It is right. The correct when you multiply a positive and a negative number, answer must be negative, right? Okay, the number line shows an unknown number A. Is 2A positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is positive, right? A is already on the positive side and you are multiplying with 2. So 2A is already a positive number. Okay, the number line shows an unknown number x. Is 4x positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is positive. X is already on the positive sign. Then you are multiplying with 4. 4 is positive. So the answer is positive. The number line shows an unknown number t. Is 2t positive or negative? Negative? No. t is already on the positive side and you're multiplying to 2t. 2t is already a positive number, that is positive. The number line shows an unknown number q. Is 4q positive or negative, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be positive because q is positive and also the number you are multiplying is positive, so that is positive. Okay, the number line shows an unknown number p. Is 2p positive or negative, which is the correct option? Yes, that is negative because p is already on the negative side, right? So the correct option is negative. Number line shows an unknown number s. Is 4s positive or negative? Yes, s is a negative number because s is on the left hand side of the zero, so it is negative. Okay. The number line shows an unknown number y. Is 4y positive or negative? Yes, that is positive. The correct option is positive. The number line shows an unknown number b. Is 2b positive or negative? Negative? Yes, that is negative. Okay, the next one is the number line shows an unknown number W. Is 5W positive or negative? That is positive, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 7 math. The chapter we're working on is rational numbers. We still have some time. If you have any question related to the chapter rational numbers, you can ask. The lessons we have covered today are put rational numbers in order, apply addition and subtraction rules, then apply multiplication and division rules, right? So, if you have any question related to the lesson we just did, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So, please ask question. You can ask question if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.